This is a video made by Mr. Sack and his math class. Say hi, everyone.
Hi!
They're not gonna talk anymore. We are making a video on double-digit multiplication. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how I've been teaching it to my class. And if they're on the purple time tests, this is how they do it on their purple time tests. So the first step is to multiply the ones. That's 8 times 6, which is 48. So you put down the 8, and you regroup the 4. And I like to put a plus sign next to those numbers that I regroup because it reminds me to add that number. After you multiply the ones, you multiply the tens. That's 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus this 4 is 60. So now I have one row complete. And when you do 2 by 2 digit multiplication, you need 2 rows. And now I'm going to use this 4 to do my multiplication. So I got to start in the tens place. So every time I start my second row, I always put a 0 in the ones place. So now I can start in the tens place. So now I am going to do the ones like I did before. I'm going to do 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So I put down the 4, and I cross this out because I already used it, and I regroup the 2. And since I just did 4 times 6, now I'm going to do 7 times 4, which is 28. Plus this 2 is 30. So here are now my 2 rows. So I'm going to add those 2 rows together because multiplication is just repeated addition. So it makes sense to add the 2 rows together. And when I add the 2 rows together, I get 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So my answer is 3,648. Now notice that this is a bow tie. Do you see the bow tie here? So when you do the steps correctly, if you multiply the numbers in the correct way, you should have a bow tie when you're done. And that's how I've been teaching double-digit multiplication on the purple time test.